The AI story continues to fuel this ferocious rally. Do you remember what happened just 6 months ago? Do you recall that day? It was April 2nd, 2025. President Trump stood at the White House rolling out new tariff packages for a number of different countries, showing the new tariff and what they were charging us through some sideways math. The markets got spooked, and as you could see from this chart, we were sitting down nearly 15% in early April. However, since that day, the markets have surged more than 20% to where things stand today. Again, the market continues to be resilient, to say the least. And although there's plenty of near-term concerns, that doesn't take away from my long-term goals. And in today's video, I'm going to be going through 4 of my favorite stocks I am buying right now. Not just buying right now, they're still 4 of my favorite stocks, period. I'll be showing you stocks that I'm buying outright, but also stocks where I'm utilizing an option strategy. So before we dive in, do me a huge favor. Show your appreciation just by simply clicking that like button down below. Really helps with the algorithm. And also consider subscribing so you can be notified anytime we drop new content. And let's jump into it.